Hey everyone! So today we're going to do a cloud pour on a 12 by 12 canvas. I did put a little white base paint around the edges so the paint will flow better over the sides. But the cloud pour recipe is one that I found from Rafael Delgado. His channel is Red Acrylic, and he has a great recipe for the cloud white. And it is using the Deco Art Satin Enamels Pure White and the Artist Loft Flow. He also uses the glue and the Floetrol and some water. So if you want to learn that recipe, I'll put a link to Raphael's channel below the video. Okay, so we're going to start with some white. This is the cloud white. And I'm going to be using Creative Inspiration paints that do not have silicone. So I'll use some dioxazine violet. And I'm also using Creative Inspirations lamp black to separate this. And this one is the cobalt blue. I was going to mix up a metallic, but I think the metallics will react, so I didn't want to get a lot of cells. I think I'll put white here too, then a little bit of black, cobalt blue. I'll go back with white. A little bit more violet. I'm going to try and finish up these paints. And some more black. And that should be plenty of paint. We have about 9 ounces right there. So I'm going to pinch my paper cup, and we will ring pour this. We will get some gray too, and I already see cells. That's probably from the Floetrol. And I'm going to go over that edge, aren't I? It's just crazy because there's no silicone in this at all. And I'm going to just go ahead and let it pour, because I think our cloud effect is not going to work because of the cells. But we still want a pretty painting. So I'm going to push some of that off of that side because it's very gray. See if I can open up that white. It's like, where did my cobalt blue go, huh? It's kind of cool looking though. I'm kind of digging it right there. As I continue to pour it off. I don't want to lose this corner down here. So we did not get a cloud pour, but we did get a ring pour with cells. Just touch that corner. No silicone. It just amazes me, reactions with paints, how they react. I really like that. It's kind of neat the way those cells formed. I wish I didn't have so much white here, because I would love to open this up here. But let me give it a torch and see what happens. I'm probably going to get a bunch of cells coming through here. It's kind of neat though. It's like outer spacey. It's like lots of little planets and space garbage floating around. So I think that's it for this one, guys. We didn't get our effect that we wanted. I think next time I'm going to leave the black out. Maybe the black, because it has so much Floetrol in it. Maybe that made us sell out. Maybe it's a dirty bottle, you know what I mean? Maybe there was still silicone in the bottle itself after washing them that did that. I'm not sure. I really am not sure. But look, there's lots of them. They're everywhere. But it is pretty cool. I'm kind of liking this a lot. So subscribe if you haven't. Click on that bell and check out all the links below. Leave a comment and share our videos as much as you can. Join us on Facebook at the Parage Posse, and also my Christina Welch Art page is on Facebook. If you're looking for paintings, check out our Etsy shop, and for all your paint pouring supplies, check out our Amazon link below. We have lots of stuff in there, airbrushes and everything. But thanks so much for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye now.